Bronx home on about 4972, address is 3699 Henry Hudson Parkway. Just Palisades Avenue for a train derailment at Metro North. Bronx home on box 4972, the address is 3699 Henry Hudson Parkway. West. It's off Palisades Avenue, foot of a train derailment at Metro North. Time is 0723 hours after 212.
Please attention, Edge Company 320, ladder 167. Both units respond phone alarm 9942. This location is 50 Avenue and 193 Street. Reporting an odorous smoke in the area. Engine 320. Ladder 167. The telephone alarm box is 9942 with the location of 50 Avenue, 193 Street. Reporting an odorous smoke in the area. Time now is 7:24, dispatcher 15.
Gas off. Notify Keystone at that location. I guess we'll shut off. This will tell you when available, okay?
10-4, 0725 dispatch 304.
299.
9942 seems to be the same order that we had at the other boxes going on. You can notify the 53.
10-453.
We see right now we're driving next to the clear view. We're trying to see if we see anything over there. You know, it is an odor of like burning leaves, that type of thing, okay? But it does cover a large area.
That's 10-4. I'm just keeping track of the different locations. I just put out a 5-7 signal also for an odor. We got 39th Avenue, 39 Avenue, 195. So I'll have somebody go over there and check it, okay?
Saying 5310-4. Engine 299 can head up that way. There is not much wind, but it does seem to be heading north to south, the wind, okay?
Okay. From north to the south.
North to the south.
I-53. We just got information that they have a very large fire burning in Mount Vernon.
5310-4, that's a possibility. We'll still investigate just north of here, okay?
10-4. I just advising. 0727 hours, dispatcher 150.
Add to Battalion 13. Company is responding to box 1802. Since information is available upon request. And I'd call in the 13 Battalion. I'd call reporting smoke in the boiler room. You have a 3-1 response at this time.
1310-4.
727 dispatch to dimension.
Off the track.
Right, 10-4.
Time is 0728 hours back to 212.
Battalion 13.
You consult with the Bronx dispatcher and see if they have any odor in the Bronx, okay, that they can call on.
Rescue 3.
And so the confirmed train derailment, they're looking for power off the Metro North and Fight and Idle. So we get that through the 27 and get power off?
Requesting power off.
And that's through the 27. We're getting it through SOD and the confirmed train derailment through NYPD.
10-4. Time is 0729 hours, that's 212. Battalion 27.
Okay, notify Metro North to shut the power down on the northbound and southbound tracks, okay?
10-4. Time is 0730 hours, that's 212.
Queen to the 5-3 battalion.
Hey, 5-3.
Since about 6 a.m., we show only 1 or 2 odors of smoke for the Bronx area. Outside odors, okay?
Hey, 5-3, 10-4.
7:31 is the time, dispatcher 1-5.
Ladder 4-6.
5 cars, passes the train, Spike and Dival. There's injuries, there's people, okay?
10-4. 10-4, Rescue 3, your message. Bronx Battalion 27.
Battalion 27.
As for Metro North, Trainmaster Walsh reports all 3 tracks, Fight and Diver. Power's off as of 7:24 hours.
Battalion 27, 10-4.
Time is 0732 hours, dispatcher 212.
Over Manhattan, okay?
10-4, ladder 5-9. Time is 0732 hours, that's 212.
5-2-1.
Engine 95.
Battalion 270, we got a major train wreck, 5 cars on the side, multiple victims.
10-4. Bronx Battalion 27.
Battalion 27.
Engine 95 reports you have a 5-car train wreck with multiple victims, okay?
Battalion 27, 10-4, transmit to 1060, okay?
10-4. Bronx announcement 1060 D and transmit to box 4972. Locations Fight and Diver Railroad Station for a 5-car train wreck. Bronx announcement 1060 D and transmit for box 4972. Locations Fight and Diver Railroad Station for 5-car train wreck. Time is 0734 hours, that's 212.
37th Avenue in the vicinity of 190. Okay.
7th Avenue, 190, 310-4,
160?
10-4.
It's reporting an odor of smoke. 134, dispatcher 150.
Tactical support 1.
On your frequency responding.
10-4. Time is 0735 hours, back to 212.
5 cars cars off the tracks. In the borough of the Bronx, 1060 for box 4972. Spite and Dival Railroad Station for a train derailment. 0736236.
In the borough of the Bronx, 1060 has been transmitted, box 4972 at the Spite and Dival Railroad Station. Brooklyn announced in the borough of Bronx, 1060 has been transmitted, box 4972 at the Spite and Dival Railroad Station. 0735 hours, dispatch 304.
18. Bronx Battalion 27.
27.
Ladder 56 is your fast truck. Battalion 18 is your safety officer. Battalion 1.
Battalion 19 to Bronx.
Battalion 19.
7, find out what the best approach for the units coming in would be.
Bronx Battalion 27.
27, have the units come in near close to Spite and Dival, but leave an access way for all ambulances, okay?
Okay, you came in broken up on the last part of your transmission, okay? So you come in near Spite and Dival?
Spite and Dival train station, okay? But we're gonna need access to the ambulance to get in and out of here, okay?
10-4, Battalion 19 receives.
He says he's gonna need access for ambulances to get out of there?
That's affirmative.
Sure the units coming in are aware of that we don't block the road. The access is fairly limited going down there.
10-4. You responding to 1060 box 4972. You're going to come in to Spite and Dival Railroad Station. But also be advised you're going to need space for EMS to get in and out. Ladder 27 receive.
27 receives. Could you request for rescue 3 where they would like to collapse the rig, please?
10-4, rescue 3. Rescue 3.
27 the Bronx.
Battalion 27.
Rescue 7 the Bronx. Slow trying to reach some other handy talking, Jay.
10-4.
5-9 to the Bronx.
Ladder 5-9.
20 frequency, Jay.
10-4. You told me to...
27 to the Bronx.
Battalion 27.
972, Jay. We have approximately 27 the Bronx.
Battalion 27.
27 the Bronx. Slow trying to reach some other handy talking, Jay.
10-4.
5-9 to the Bronx.
Ladder 5-9.
20 frequency, Jay.
10-4. You told me to...
27 to the Bronx.
Battalion 27.
972, Jay. We have approximately 5 cars of transit. The train is turned over on its side. We have multiple people trapped. And stand by.
Bronx Engine 48. on the box 4972. Bronx is Division 7.
Division 7, care.
Ladder 56 is the fast truck. Battalion 18 is the safety officer. Battalion 17 is the resource unit leader. And ladder 46 is the communications unit. Correction, engine 46.
All right, 10-4.
Bronx to ladder 560. Ladder 560 the fast truck.
4.
Bronx to battalion 18.
1-8, okay.
You are the safety officer.
1-8, 10-4.
Bronx to battalion 17.
1-7.
You are the resource unit leader.
Battalion 17, 10-4.
Bronx to engine 46.
Battalion 27 to the Bronx.
Battalion 27.
Ready for the run now, okay?
Initial assignment was engine 52, engine 81, engine 95, ladder 52, ladder 46, rescue 3, 61, tactical support, rescue battalion, safety battalion, engine 92, engine 46 is the communications unit, ladder 45, ladder 37, ladder 56 the fast truck, have battalion 19, battalion 18 is the safety officer, battalion 17 is the resource unit leader. You have rack 3, Philcom, engine 97, engine 48. And you also have DC 21.
27, 10-4. Be advised, we have multiple rescues in progress at this time, okay?
Bronx Battalion 27.
27.
Would the services of an air recon unit be helpful, okay?
27, negative at this time. We'll wait arrival of the Division 7 to make that call, but I don't think it's necessary, okay?
10-4. Time is 074 to the hour, that's 212.
Car 6.
On to the 1060, okay?
Alright, 10-4. 744 Citywide 293.
Car 6.
On your frequency, responding to the 1060, okay?
10-4. Time is 0745 hours, dispatch 212. Safety battalion.
We get a confirmation of power off.
Affirmative. Power's been off as of 072 hours on all tracks.
Safety 10-4.
Time is 0747 hours, back to 212. Battalion 27.
27 confirming 11045, pay no code.
10-4. Battalion 27. Bronx to Battalion 27.
27, go Bronx.
PD is requesting we activate the TAC U as a union channel. Also, the exact location of where you're operating.
Battalion 27 to the Bronx. Advise PD we're operating at the Fighting Dival train station right to the water's edge, okay? And you can probably start out and get a Marine unit up here may be helpful. Battalion 182 Bronx.
Bronx to Battalion 27.
7, go Bronx.
Do you have any information of any of the cars in the water, okay?
One car at the water's edge, okay?
10-4. Battalion 1-8, your message?
Yeah, what street was going to be the access point for the ambulances? Because we got the rigs blocking Johnson Avenue and Edsel. Was there going to be a different access point for the ambulances?
Battalion 1-8, standby, okay? Bronx to Battalion 27. Bronx to Division 7. Battalion 2707 has 11045. Also, is there a different access for the ambulance to enter?
There's one ambulance down on the platform. There's 2 more trapped by Rescue 3 on the service road. They can try to make a left instead of a right at the top of the hill.
10-4. Bronx to Battalion 1-8.
Right.
Division 7 is saying they have one ambulance down there, and they also could try to make a left at the top of the hill.
10-4, we'll check it out.
Time is 0751 hours, that's 212. Boy.
4972.
10-4. Time is 0751 hours, that's 212. Call 1 Adam.
1 Adam's responding.
10-4. Time is 0751 hours, that's 212.
31 it is, you're up. That's cool. And that's a lot of 1-1.
A lot of 1-1.
You got the runs of 404. 404 is the phone alarm 178 Ludlow Street between Stanton Street and East Houston Street for an order again. 404 is the phone alarm 178 Ludlow Street between Stanton Street and East Houston Street, order again. Tornado acting 9-5. That's full. 752 dispatcher 293.
Brooklyn to Marine 6K. We'll have to check back with you about that. Actually, they're showing on the scene at this moment.
Well, we're going to go 1091 with 10-8, check.
10-4. 075 the outside at this moment.
Bronx to Marine 6. Bronx to Marine 6K. Time is 0753 hours. That's 212.
Command tactical to the Bronx, please.
Bronx to Marine Battalion. Bronx to Marine Battalion.
London 4972K.
10-4, so be advised, we assign Marine 1, and we have a Marine 6 go 10AK.
Marine Battalion. Do you want Marine 6 to head up the Harlem River?
A negative, Marine 6 and remain in service. Marine Battalion receive.
Battalion 10-4.
Bronx to engine 96.
96K.
Respond to box 2818AK.
96 is responding.
10-4. Bronx to command tactical 1. Time is 0755 hours. That's 212. Command tactical.
Put us on Bronx box 4972, please.
Affirmative, you're already assigned, K.
Well, thank you.
Time is 0756 hours. That's 212.
We have a report of elderly male that fell out of bed in a private house. EMS is responding, Kay?
4K, so this is East Restaurant, 10-4.
756 hours, dispatch on site.
Division has a 724 hours Metro North Trainmaster Wall support all track hours off.
Division 7-4.
Time is 0756 hours. That's a 212.
Goodbye. 756 dispatcher 290. N18 404 to N18 box 404 to 33 code 2 at the time. 757 dispatcher 290.
Six on this box. That way they can come in from the Harlem River in case the Spike and Dival Bridge is closed and Marine 1 can't get into the Harlem River, okay?
10-4 Marine Battalion. Time is 0758 hours. That's 212. Car 6. 10-4 time is 0759 hours. That's 212. Five, sir. 8:01 hours. The time is back to 259. Call 11.
Father, you at 1060.
10-4, San Missouri, 02 hours, back to 217.
Five, 3 dies on a Queens frequency with Father Box 2113K.
10-4. Queens Class 3 Box 2113, the terminal is 6. 137-08 Reading Street between Pitkin Avenue and Albert Road for an automatic alarm at the Days Inn Hotel. It is a Class 3 Queens, Box 2113 for Terminal 6, 137-08 Reading Street between Pitkin Avenue and Albert Road for an automatic alarm at the Days Inn Hotel. Time now is 8:03, dispatch 158. 260.
7356, the patient walked away prior to our arrival. We'll take it at 1031, where's 10-8?
8:03 is the time, dispatch 158.
Telephone on box 1119, address 19, Spartan Avenue, between Rosecliff Road and Woodcrest Road, CO detector activation and private dwelling. Phone on box 1119, address 19, Spartan Avenue, between Rosecliff Road and Woodcrest Road for CO detector activation. The time is 08:05 hours. That's 161.
Over the second off.
Bronx to Division 7.
Division 7, go.
Do you want the rescue collapses with the rescue companies? Do you want the rescue companies to bring the rescue collapse units?
All we need is whenever they have to support and jack up trains.
Call 11 Adam.
Have them bring the associated collapser with them.
10-4. Time is 08:05 hours, that's 212.
Phone on box 442, 118 Avenue D. Davis, Green Bay Street, and East 9th Street, putting a fire in the basement. Phone on 442, 118 Avenue D. Davis, between East 8th Street and 9th Street, putting a fire in the basement.
10-4.
Rescue 1 to the Bronx.
Rescue 1.
Yeah, we're switching over to that Spike Dival job. Just let us know if there's any directions we need, anything, they need special equipment-wise.
10-4, 10-6K. Bronx to Division 7.
Still found for Division 7.
We assign 2 additional rescue task forces.